It's that red one. Get on the ground though. Get on the ground. Ponle Mateo.
I think it's at 1:30. I think 1:30.
Welcome aboard. Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the safety and emergency exit information located in the seat back pocket in front of you. Your train attendants will be with you momentarily.